Hello everyone to my newest update. In this update I've actually got my first simulation working, but I'll first show you some of the problems I faced in setting this up. So in this first part you see here, the animation basically is broken in many ways. Things are appearing and disappearing seemingly at random, the sizes are wrong at all stages. So I fixed this for the creatures. The creatures are now moving appropriately and their sizes are almost always correct, but still the food, the little blue cubes are the wrong size at random, some of them are shrinking still. Now I was able to fix this as well, as you'll see in this next part. For small creature numbers things seem to be working out, except at the very beginning of the animation, where there's just a one creature perhaps, or two creatures will have the wrong size. Not exactly sure what was wrong, but I did manage to fix this. You can see here that the creatures are spawning appropriately at some random location. Creatures are disappearing when their health is depleted, just shown by them becoming completely red, and they pop out of existence. Now the food is still disappearing, perhaps 2 or 3 frames too late, so I could fix that, but for now I'm not too concerned. Just to show you the issue I did have at the beginning of the animation, you can see here this one cube disappears and then reappears, but other than that I think it's fine. Now I'll just let the actual rendering play out.